Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a speed test comparison of the Redmi Note 10s with the Redmi Note 10 Pro or the Pro Max. So Redmi Note 10s is the latest smartphone announced by Xiaomi under the Redmi series, and this comes with the Helio G95 octa-core processor. Now we're going to do a quick speed test comparison with the Redmi Note 10 Pro or the Pro Max. Both have the Snapdragon 732G octa-core processor. So let's just go to the about phone. So about phone, let's just take. So here we have Android 11 on both the devices. We have the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max with us. We also have the Redmi Note 10s, and both the devices have 6GB RAM. Now this is a 2 GHz Helio G95, while it's a 2.3 GHz Snapdragon 732G. Now the big difference here is the MIUI 12.5.2 on the Redmi Note 10s, while it's MIUI 12.0.1 on the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So that's the difference. So we're going to do a speed test. So just clearing off all the background apps. So there you go. So we just cleared off all the background apps. Let's just go to the about phone, the notification. So you can see here both the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Both are in airplane mode. So similar connections on both the devices. Now once again we have cleared off all the background apps. So let's just start the speed test. So first app will be Asphalt 9. So let's see which is able to load Asphalt 9 faster. Now both have the game turbo mode enabled, so we have enabled it on both the devices. So let's see which is able to load the game faster. Now the Helio G95 is specifically a chipset for gamers, but the Snapdragon 732G is not as powerful as the Helio G95 in terms of gaming abilities. So let's see which is able to open the game faster here. So as expected, the Helio G95 did open the game faster here. Next would be Temple Run. Once again the Redmi Note 10s was faster here. Next is Play Store. Once again the Redmi Note 10s was faster. Chrome browser. Once again Redmi Note 10s is faster. Facebook. The Redmi Note 10s is faster. Twitter. Here again Redmi Note 10s is faster. Instagram. Redmi Note 10s. Gaana. Here again you can see it's faster on the Redmi Note 10s. Next Amazon. Once again Note 10s wins. Here again Flipkart is also Note 10s. File Manager, again Note 10s is faster. Settings. YouTube is the first app where the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max wins. Now Gmail, again Note 10s is faster. Camera, Note 10s, and finally Maps, again Note 10s. So you can see that Redmi Note 10s with the Helio G95 chip comprehensively beats the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max with the Snapdragon 732G. Now more than the processor, the software is what we feel has made the difference. The MIUI 12.5 seems to be a bit more optimized than the MIUI 12. So that Xiaomi also has been saying a MIUI 12.5. Although it may not be a big upgrade in terms of visual experience, it is definitely an upgrade in terms of the overall performance. Now let's see how it has improved in terms of memory management. So let's see the memory management. So both have retained Maps, Camera, Gmail, YouTube, Settings, File Manager, Flipkart. Flipkart has reloaded on the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Amazon, again it is reloaded. Gaana, again it is reloaded. Instagram has been reloaded on both the devices. Twitter, again reloaded on both the devices. Facebook, it's again reloaded, but it's still faster on the Redmi Note 10s. Chrome browser, 10s retains, but Max Pro has reloaded it. Play Store is available on both the devices. Let's move on to the games. Now games, it's reloaded on both the devices. So let's just once again, it was much faster on the Note 10s, and finally Asphalt 9. So both the devices have reloaded it. While the memory management has improved on the Redmi Note 10s, it's still not the perfect one, but you can see that when compared to the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max or the Pro, where the MIUI version is 12, there is definitely an improvement in the MIUI 12.5. so that's pretty evident with the number of apps reloading has been lesser on the Note 10s. So that is a speed test comparison. So if you want a higher performance, and especially gamers, the Redmi Note 10s should be a good device because it has a really good performance in terms of game opening. Now we'll be testing the performance of both the devices in terms of games when we do the detailed gaming test. So that is the speed test comparison of these two devices. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.